This is a D-Train production.
This is basically a cheap-ass version of Epic Mealtime. We got 5 double cheeseburgers and 1.5 because someone took a bite. Jacob.
Hey guys!
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a fast food lasagna. See, we got some ground beef, bacon strips, some brats, some cheese. Gotta have the cheese. And we also have the tomato sauce.
For some Jack Daniels.
Jack Daniels special sauce.
That cheeseburger's looking good.
Don't look at it.
Which one's the one he... Oh, that one over there. Fail.
Not that.
Some bacon strips.
Take a look at this.
Cheer it.
Hopefully we have some badass tongs like they do so we can flip them. And some bacon strips. Oh.
Adding the bacon strips to the oven.
Taste of meat poop.
Okay. That's how it's done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Too bad we don't have a freaking oven light. But I got this light. Bacon flips.
Like a boss.
Sweet juices from the bacon strips.
Making that Captain Morgan's meat sauce. Captain Morgan sauce.
Yeah, repeat that. I didn't have it on you.
We're making that Captain Morgan meat sauce. I want to take a shot.
Do it. Take a shot of beer and Captain together.
Oh, my face.
Like a boss.
We actually had those full bottles last night, but we took them all down.
All of them.
3 bottles of Jack Daniels.
3 people. You do the math, bitch.
So you guys didn't get Thousand Island, did you?
No.
Why? And strips in action.
Look at that sizzle and fizzle.
Sizzle and fizzle.
We don't fuck around. Wait.
Here, you can sing it.
Putting bacon on the burgers.
Meat sauce. Dripping on that meat. I can't wait to eat.
This hamburger is calling my name. Jacob, I love you.
Then we gotta add the cheese on top of that.
We don't fuck around with cheese.
Hey,
He might look like he's fucking around with the cheese, but we're putting that whole fucking bag on this.
Steve.
boom. No. And then more bacon.
More bacon strips. More meat sauce. More Jack Daniels meat sauce.
Somebody say something about salami?
We got that too.
Fuck yeah.
Salami in this bitch.
Fuck yeah.
Might as well. We love our meat.
Looked like big ass sausage. Getting hungry yet, bitch?
I know I am.
Straight out of Compton. Fuck you. And your mom.
We don't fuck around.
Hell no.
This is how we do it.
Like a boss.
Epic fuck time. You ready to fucking eat? You ready for this?
Why do we got 3 minutes?
Fuck this shit.
Fuck that shit.
We don't fuck around.
Wow, dude. Damn, dude. Dude, like a boss.